Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic PhotoPAD tutorial how to delete selection. So as example, I will use polygon tools to select the objects. I will click from this point and move into here and select by tracking the image using these polygon tools and connect into the first point. Next, if you want to delete the selection, you can press delete button. It will be automatically delete the selection. But if you want to delete the outside, you can go to select menu again, and then you can use invert selection. So it will be invert outside the box, and you can press delete button to delete the selection. Okay, that's it for basic PhotoPAD tutorial, how to delete selection. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.